Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and let me share with you how to show current state of the battery, current level of the battery in the status bar. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on the notifications. It should be on the 3rd position. Now we have to scroll down and tap on advanced settings, and on the 2nd position we've got show battery percentage option, which right now it is obviously turned off because here on the status bar we've got only the battery icon. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher here, and as you can see immediately next to the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Of course we can turn it off the same way, but let me leave it like this. So actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in your Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.